If you're feeling gloomy about the cost of living and rising interest rates, you're not alone. Consumer sentiment is very pessimistic right now and near the lows you'd expect during a recession, according to this survey by Westpac and the Melbourne Institute. And the most pessimistic consumers were the ones who were surveyed after the Reserve Bank lifted the cash rate last week. With unemployment expected to keep rising, consumers are likely to tighten their belts even further. Meanwhile, markets are now betting the cash rate will peak at around 4.5% this year, which is a huge jump considering a month ago they were betting on rate cuts by Christmas. With higher rates, the odds of a recession will only increase, and that's gotten business owners worried. The latest results show that business conditions have sunk to their lowest level in a year and a half, and business confidence is back in negative territory, along with their customers' spending levels. Domino's Pizza is a perfect example of this. Its share price plunged after it issued an earnings downgrade and said it would shut down its stores in Denmark. And mining shares were among today's worst performers. Overall, it was a cautious day for the share market, which rose by just 0.2%, as investors are waiting to see what tonight's US inflation data shows. And the biggest gains were seen in US and Japanese stock markets, while gold was relatively steady and oil prices fell 4% overnight, though they're just managing to claw back some of those losses. Finally, the Aussie dollar is slowly inching closer towards 68 US cents. And that's finance.